Hello, friends. I welcome you to another episode of Podcast with Me. This particular episode, I basically want to address a very common question that comes to me on Quora. Quora is a platform, if you may be aware of, where people do get answers to the questions they post in different categories. There are also spaces where people talk, share, and even write back answers. This particular issue that I would like to address today, and the reason I'm doing this is most of my followers and most of the people that I answer do I have had a view that they do listen to my podcast. So this one particularly is for most of them. Now, in this, I would like to address three basic questions. The first one being a very common question that comes my way is, how can I naturally heal mental health ailments? So, whether somebody is suffering from depression, anxiety, panic attacks, hallucinations, some kind of disorders, everyone is seeking a self help or some kind of remedies. So, friends, what I basically want to tell you here is, at the outset, if there is a mental health ailment, if somebody has been diagnosed with, let's say, schizophrenia or bipolar or social anxiety, it is not basically like a cold and flu that we could use a natural remedy. Instead, the first thing one needs to do is seek expertise, and that you get from a psychiatrist. Psychiatrists are doctors who actually have the authority to prescribe medicines. So one needs to really first get oneself checked, properly diagnosed, instead of reading content on internet. And that was exactly what I wanted to say in my second point, which is about reading some sort of material or content on internet and thinking one has that actually doesn't define, that's not how you diagnose a disease. So please stop doing that. I have already published a podcast on this. It is titled The Perils of Self-Diagnosis. And I would want you to even hear that if in case this particular one does not suffice. So my request to you all listeners here is, if at all you or any of your friend or any of your close associate is being diagnosed with any kind of mental health ailment, let the diagnosis come from an expert, which is a psychiatrist or a psychologist, not even a coach like me. We are coaches. We help people as a life coach in different spheres of life, helping them unstuck, come out of grief, or achieve a certain goal through a forward action plan. For sure, we study psychology. For sure, we also use some of the concepts and tools, but we are not eligible and authorized to prescribe medicines or even diagnose in the first place. So, friends, please reach out to the right relevant resource. Reach out to a psychiatrist or a psychologist who could actually tell somebody that yes, you are depressed. These are the symptoms which qualifies, or which this prognosis says that you are suffering from panic attacks or anxiety or depression or whatever the mental health ailment is. That could be on account of genetics, some environmental toxins, or something else. The doctor then could prescribe medicines, and then basis on that, ask the doctor what else can be done besides the medication, if in case you do not really want to be too much dependent on it. The best remedy that one could use in case of your idea is to not take medicines a lot. So, but self diagnosis or thinking of natural ways to heal, or some sort of a shortcut, or DIY, as they say in today's context, which is do it yourself, these things will not help, friends. Please refrain from it. Please refrain from adapting these methods, because they will harm you more than they can help you. Instead, reach out. So stop the diagnosis, doing it on yourself. Stop reaching out to the internet, because the doctor may have had invested 10 plus years minimum to get where they are. We just cannot simply read it in an article or check some symptoms and start to think we have this and these are the medications, and so let me go and try them. No, kindly don't do any of these. Instead, reach out. And those areas where a coach like me can help you, you can anytime reach out to me. I have my website, and like me, there are many other life coaches who can really help you get ahead in life. So, if you have any of such need where a life coach can help you build your goals, help you overcome a limiting belief, or help you in the areas of your own personal growth and personality development, please reach out to us and we will be more than happy to help you. Well, that's it, my friends, for today. I hope you found this small talk a bit useful. Kindly do share. This applies to you, to anyone you think is suffering and is is adapting a wrong approach. Please help them and let them reach out to the right resource and take right help. Thank you.